Is your Dodge Charger key fob not unlocking the doors? Let's fix that. The most common causes are a dead battery, synchronization problems, or a faulty door lock actuator. First, try replacing the CR2032 battery inside the fob. Cold weather and frequent use can drain it quickly. If that doesn't work, the fob might need to be resynchronized with your car's system. For newer models, 2021 plus, this can sometimes be done through the Uconnect infotainment system or the Dodge Owner app. For older models, consult your owner's manual or a local Dodge dealership for resyncing procedures. These steps should address most basic key fob problems. This typically will involve a software update via OBD2 tools to resync fobs. According to AAA's 2024 report, start with a battery replacement, 85% success rate for simple issues. If a new battery and resyncing don't solve the issue, the problem might be a failing door lock actuator. This is the small motor inside the door that physically locks and unlocks it. Corrosion, moisture, or wear can cause it to fail. Signs include hearing a clicking sound from the door, but no action, or inconsistent unlocking. Replacing the actuator is more involved, potentially costing $200 to $500 at a repair shop, though this can also be a DIY project. It is important to note that expert opinions such as those at Edmunds warn against cheap aftermarket fobs, citing compatibility issues in 30% of cases. As a last resort, especially if multiple fobs are failing, there could be an issue with your car's body control module, BCM. A professional diagnosis is recommended in this case. Also, make sure there are no environmental risks such as recent flood exposure.